Hey you guys, today I received my products from Ibrahim. I got the parcel and I just want to share with you what I got. I got only a few items, and the reason for that, I find the more often I order with them, the more often they send me promotions with the free product. So this time, as a free product, I received a cream. It's called Serum Vegetal Night Cream. They actually offered me not like 6 products to choose from. It wasn't only creams you could pick. It was as well perfumes and some bath products. So, but this one I decided to get. The retail price for this is $45, but like I said, they send me this cream for free. It's full-size cream, 50 milliliters, and it made from stem heads from the extract something called acacia gum from apples, and it's really nice cream. You should go and check it out yourself. So what I got in order for me to get a free product, I purchased the rinsing vinegar, and I got 2 of them because they had a promotion. If you buy one, they get your second one free. So it was $8.95 for 2 of them. You don't have to buy something pricey in order for you to get a free product. You can spend any amount of dollar you want, even their lip product, which would cost you like $3.95 or something, and you still can get a free product which costs $45. So I think it's a really good deal. As well, I got the shower gel. It's one of their more popular lines. It's called Le Precieux Nature. I cannot speak French, so I cannot read French well, so something like that. And the flavor I got is strawberry. It smells delicious. It smells like real strawberries. You should really try this. It's so amazing. This is kind of pricey. It's $9 for 400 milliliters. You can find my cheaper shower gels, and these ones, unfortunately, they don't go on sale with them. I guess because it smells so good. Maybe, I don't know, like for some reason they don't go on sale. Maybe they have like $2 or $3 off. I believe before they used to be $12. Now they $9 if you purchase for their catalog, but otherwise, for whatever reason, you cannot get them buy one, the second one free, or 50% sale. If you decide to purchase these shower gels, I really recommend for you to get a pump. It comes separately, and you have to purchase it. It's cost $1.95. So this one I already used. This flavor is raspberry. It smells, like I said, like delicious. It as well smells like real raspberries, and when you put it on your skin, it's really, your skin gonna smell like raspberry or like strawberry or like apricot, whatever flavor you're gonna pick. It smells so good. It smells like a real fruit. It's not gonna smell like chemicals, so this like weird flavor. It said strawberry, but it smells like something else. It's really gonna smell like a real fruit. That's at least what I find. So that's all I got from them. And like I said, the reason I purchased only a couple things, because they send you another promotion where they offer you another free product. So I already received another coupon from them, and they as well offer me a free cream over here, but this is night cream as well actually, and on top of that they offer me a set. It's a Silverstone set with red, and they claim it's authentic agate stone, so I'm thinking to get this as well. The only thing, when you order online, you have to pay for the shipping. It's $4.95, so technically the cream cost me like $5, let's say. But like I said, in a store it's going to cost you $45, and if you really like their products and you're planning using something, it's really good deal, I think, to buy like small quantities, and then they offer you something for free. So it really makes makes like you're really gonna save money. And a little bit later, a couple of weeks later, they send me another promotion where you can purchase something as well. Like they offer you some brown cups. I think they look like really pretty, and some packages for the Christmas, because it's Christmas is coming soon, so people already start to make their purchases. I don't really think I'm gonna buy this because I would rather get something, some like cream or something else which I'm going to use. I don't know, like if I need cups, but like I said, they're kind of pretty, brown with gold. I really like those colors. And that's it for now. So as soon as I receive my other products, I will show you how this set looks like, because like I said, I really want to get it. Another thing I just want to mention, if you have a store in your city, sign up at the store as well, because for whatever reason their store and their online promotions, it's two different things, and they're going to send promotions from the store as well. They offer you free gifts as well, and some little accessories like bags or some jewelry sets, some books. So it's really good to be a member with them, because they get you like a lot of nice stuff. So that's it from me, and let me know if you want me to review some of their products, because I have so many things I purchased from them through the years, and I can show you and I can give you heads up on what I think about the items. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.